first up, let me just address some of those issues and then we can get into the details of the fleshing. Now, if you remember earlier when we were skinning this bird, I talked about that tendon that was here, the rubber band tendon on this wing. As you can see, this one, they did what we discussed earlier where they grabbed that tendon and pulled part of it out. So you can see right there, that tendon is still attached to the wing. And you have that rubber band right there, but here in this area where it used to be, no longer has that rubber band effect going on anymore. And I'll show you when we mount this bird what that does to the overall look, especially positioning these wings and pinning the flight web. So keep that in mind. If you run into that tendon down here, don't pull it away. And if you start to and you start seeing this area, you'll know that you need to just stop and leave it alone.